In my LinkedIn feed this week, there were at least 15 new research articles about the benefits of exercise. Strength training lengthens your life. Exercise helps cancer patients. Exercise reduces chronic pain. I love reading these because it just adds to the amazing evidence that exercise is powerful medicine to treat or prevent all kinds of mental and physical ailments. When you study the human body, it makes sense. We're made to move. Moving allows us to survive and thrive. But there was one study that let the air out of the balloon. It was by the World Health Organization, and the first paragraph read, almost 500 million people will develop heart disease, obesity, diabetes, and other non-communicable diseases attributed to physical inactivity between 2020 and 2030, costing the United States $27 billion annually. Now, I've been doing this for over 30 years now, and these statistics have not changed. There are three reasons why. The first is research talks about the future benefits, but our brain's priority is feeling and functioning better now. So the future benefits sound great in theory, but they won't make us motivated to move more now when there's easier ways to feel better now, like food and social media that's engineered to change our brains. The second is they are imagined benefits, but your brain changes based on what your body is telling it right now. You have to actually feel those benefits in your body as you're moving to be motivated to make exercise a habit that will last through all the challenges in life. Unfortunately, because many of our approaches to exercise have strayed from movement science, even the word exercise seems to leave people feeling worse right now rather than better. And the third reason is all that evidence is overwhelming. It can easily send you into a stress state where you either react out of fear or you freeze because you feel guilt and shame because you're not exercising. Since this stress state is when less energy goes into healing and repair, overwhelming evidence can very well take us away from being healthy. The solution is to be well now. The first step is to be. Simply notice what happens in your body when you hear about a new study. Just notice if it shifts your physiology into that fight, flight, freeze, stress state. If so, the first thing to do is get back to the well state. So the second step is be well. Come back to your core why. So you remember in your center, in your body, what's most important to you about your well-being right now. And then the third step now. Keep your attention in the present moment as you move in some way that feels good now. Stress prepares your body to move. Moving the way you are designed based on movement science with presence is the way to shift your cells back to the well state so your energy goes into being healthy. Now you can decide how you want to use that information to continue to be well now. Learn how to be well now in my free Foundations course. Click the link below to experience exercising in a whole new way for whole person health.